Alright, this is the this is the Feuling Camchest Kit OE Plus. Looks like it fits 9906 twin cams, so twin cam 88s, conversion cams. It's a full kit. Of course, except the 6 dyno. Push rod tubes. Feuling adjustable push rods, Camchest gasket kit, this is the OE Plus cam plate, gear or chain. It works for either one. So the difference between this and others, this is the newer cam plate, newer style cam plate, so you can see you don't need the bearings to be pressed in. The OE Plus oil pump. Comes with the gasket for the O-ring and the oil pump. These are the lifters. Oh, sticker. Comes with Timken inner cam bearings. See that there's no cage inside them. So I went with the 525 cams. These are conversion cams, so the inner cam inner race fits the early twin cam inner cam bearings, and then the outer race here will fit into the newer style cam chest. So it converts your earlier twin cam into the newer style cam plate, so you can run the cams without having to press in the cam bearings cam chest. And the last thing here is the that's all the little pieces you need. So you get the outer cam chain, the inner cam chain, the hardware spacers. This is the smaller, the crank sprocket, and then the cam sprocket, and hydraulic tensioners, lubricant, and thread locker. So this has everything you need to do a full cam chest. All in one kit. I think I got this one from Dennis Kirk. For a full cam chest. test service on the earlier twin cams. So this will be my winter project. Let me know what you think.